Saturn, the sixth planet from our Sun, is the only one with such prominent rings. Saturn's rings, a grand celestial spectacle, are unique in our solar system. No other planet boasts such an intricate and visible ring system. But what are these rings made of? Where did they come from? These questions have puzzled astronomers for centuries. They're not merely aesthetic wonders, they are enigmatic formations that challenge our understanding of the cosmos. Saturn's rings are not just beautiful, they are a cosmic mystery waiting to be unraveled. Scientists first laid eyes on Saturn's rings in the 17th century through Galileo's telescope. It was a sight that left them in awe, but with more questions than answers. Galileo himself struggled to decipher what he was seeing. To him, Saturn appeared to have ears or large moons on either side. It wasn't until a few decades later that a Dutch astronomer, Christian Huygens, using a more advanced telescope, correctly identified these ears as a flat, thin ring encircling the planet. His discovery marked a milestone in the understanding of the solar system. Over the centuries, as our telescopes grew more powerful, we began to see the rings in greater detail. We discovered that they were not a single entity, but composed of countless small particles, each orbiting Saturn on its own path. We learned of their composition, their structure, their dazzling beauty. As our technology advanced, so did our understanding of these magnificent rings. What are Saturn's rings made of? Ice, dust, and rock, but there's more to it than that. Let's start with the basics. The composition of Saturn's rings is primarily ice particles, but these aren't your average icicles hanging off your roof in winter. They're cosmic ice, intermingled with a smaller amount of rocky debris and dust, remnants of celestial bodies that once wandered too close to Saturn's gravitational pull. But the story doesn't end there. These materials don't just float around Saturn in a haphazard fashion. They form a remarkably structured system, segmented into distinct rings. From a distance you might see them as a single unified formation, but up close, it's a different story. The rings are divided into smaller ringlets, each with its own unique characteristics. It's like a cosmic ballet, with each dancer maintaining a precise position and rhythm. Some of these ringlets are tightly packed, while others are more loosely arranged. Their sizes vary too, with some as small as a kilometer in diameter, while others stretch out for thousands of kilometers. What's even more fascinating is the vertical thickness of these rings. Despite their vast horizontal spread, they are astonishingly thin, often no thicker than a few tens of meters. It's a mind-boggling contrast that adds to the enigma of Saturn's rings. These icy ringlets, dancing around Saturn, have been a subject of fascination for centuries. And as we delve deeper into their mysteries, they continue to captivate and intrigue us, reminding us of the endless wonders our universe holds. However, there's a twist in the tale. Scientists now predict that Saturn's rings could disappear. This revelation, as astonishing as it may sound, is backed by rigorous research and data. Recent studies suggest that Saturn's iconic rings are gradually fading away at a rather alarming pace. How is this happening, you ask? The phenomenon is known as ring rain. This is not your ordinary precipitation though. Ring rain is a process where particles from Saturn's rings are drawn into the planet by its gravitational pull. These particles, largely made of water ice, then vaporize in Saturn's atmosphere, leading to a slow but steady depletion of the rings. Imagine this, a grand cosmic shower, washing away the very beauty that makes Saturn unique. This is happening every second, every minute, every hour, and has likely been occurring for hundreds of millions of years. Scientists estimate that at the current rate, Saturn's rings could be a mere memory in about 100 million to 300 million years. But, remember, in cosmic terms, that's just around the corner. So let's ponder this for a moment. A future where Saturn is stripped of its ethereal beauty, reduced to just another planet in our solar system. Saturn, without its rings, would be like a king without his crown. But science suggests that this could be the future we are heading towards. So, what does the future hold for Saturn's rings? We've journeyed through their discovery, delved into their composition, and pondered their potential disappearance. Scientists continue to unravel the intricacies of these celestial halos, but many questions remain. Will we witness their fading shimmer in our lifetime, or will they persist, defying predictions? Saturn's rings, a marvel of our solar system, continue to be a source of wonder and mystery, reminding us of the endless enigmas that our universe holds.